Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying your Realme model and Android version so you know which settings apply. Once done, back up critical data and plug in or reach at least 50% battery to avoid shutdowns during tests. Next, open Settings, then Battery and battery usage to capture a baseline. This shows which apps or system processes drain most power. Make sure to note aggressive battery-saving modes are disabled, so your measurements are accurate before proceeding to deeper fixes. You now act on the baseline. Force stop or uninstall apps consuming the most power, because rogue apps often run wake locks that kill battery. Then go into App Info and disable background activity and unneeded permissions for those apps. This prevents background CPU and network use. Also turn off AutoSync, GPS, Bluetooth, and NFC when idle to reduce radio power. If an app still misbehaves, clear its cache and data. This often fixes corrupted states that cause constant wake-ups. You finish by enabling Realme-optimized charging and an appropriate battery saver profile to reduce top-up cycles and background work. Make sure system and apps are updated, patches often fix battery bugs, and clear the system cache partition to remove lingering corrupt files. Restart the phone and monitor for 24 hours. If drain persists, perform a factory reset after backup. Troubleshooting tip: if a fresh reset still shows high drain, test with safe mode to isolate whether hardware or third-party apps are to blame.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.